Reverse angle parking is coming soon to Carlsbad. Reverse angle parking allows for more parking spaces than traditional parallel parking spots. And since all of the doors open away from oncoming traffic, it's safer for loading and unloading. Reverse angle parking is fairly new to North County, so here are some simple instructions to get you started in 3 easy steps. First, you'll need to find an available parking space and turn on your signal to let others know where you intend to park. Next, pull past the space and stop. Finally, put your car into reverse and back into the space using your rearview mirrors to see the parking lanes. That's it. When it's time for you to go, it's easy to merge into traffic since your car is already facing the street, and it's also easier to see cyclists and pedestrians. That's it. Now you're ready to go.